person since I bought Abe who's actually driven him. He drove one of my Quattroportes back when I had the Maserati and he loved that. I think he's going to love this too. Well, I'm at the petrol station slash McDonald's near to Haynes now, waiting for Mav to show up. He's got a new car as well. Well, not as well, this isn't a new car, but he's got a Focus ST. And the ticket that I've got is for Abe and 2 people. So he's jumping in with me and we're both driving in. We were gonna have him drive first, but there's not going to be enough time. He's going to get here about 9:40, 9:50ish, he said. So there won't be enough time to do both. Here he is. And we've ended up being in the pleb parking, which is disappointing. But because there's no way in hell Hammond's coming down here, so he's not going to see Abe, which is a shame. But there's a decent amount of stuff that's here. But you usually be parked beyond the burger vans, but they're using this as well because there's not enough space, I guess. Which is a shame. It's also going to be awkward to get in and out. But at least no one's going to park behind us, right? Yeah, I guess actually we can drive forward, and then it'll just depend for getting back in. But we shall see. Back to his car because his parking is only 90 minutes and we didn't even end up in prime parking, so we're gonna have to go back and move the car and then hopefully, well, maybe come in the same place because there's nobody behind, so fingers crossed.
This one. Yeah, this one. Sorry.
It's alright. Women. When I became a truck driver, I thought, you know what, people are actually gonna see a truck, think, wow, truck, and now it's just put into perspective just how much people don't care when you've just got a nice car like this. Send it! Who said that? Scratch, scratch, scratch! I could wear it as a shoe.
It's one of the more recent updates that we had.
No new track, but we got fans.
Another Gran Turismo, very nice. Obligatory food shop.
But this one is going to be basically a joke about how we don't have as many fans in the UK as we think we do. So we're going to walk on stage, James and I. We want you guys to just do a quick delay, and then he's going to motion to you, and you all cheer in this huge triumphant cheer. And we're going to say, oh, thank God we actually have fans here. 3, 2, 1. It was okay. I would give that a C+ if I was at school. Wheeler Dealers, Mike Brewer, claims Richard Hammond forgets he got him the Top Gear job. 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, that's it. It's a provocative statement. Neither of us is interviewing the other. We're just going to do this as a straight discussion, and we haven't rehearsed it. We did meet last night.
We did meet last night in the bar, but we didn't actually discuss what we was going to be talking about today until this very moment.
No. Potency, vigour, wealth, or the opposite of that. We use it for signalling things, or whether our car is purely something utilitarian that delivers us to work, the shops and school. Whatever it is, that is the machine that enables us to go and gather everything we need in our lives that exists beyond the confines of our cave. You've got shelter, that's a basic need. Anything else you need, you got to go and get. So we invented a machine that enables us to go and get it. They matter, and we tapped into that, and I think the world was doing the same at the same time. So we were the lucky beneficiaries of a global interest in these machines. I think we as people had sensed in the wind change was coming. We knew something was going to have to change, and it is. By the way, I don't think there's anybody here that would disagree with that. We've got to do something about climate change. Of course, we have.
So it is Ryan's turn to drive Abraham. So you drove yours.
Yeah. That's what I drive. Same as great drive, and then just let off. We'll film the talk, and then for driving him, just stick close to the curb on your side. You'll be fine.
Of course, yeah.
And then the throttle, you'll kind of get a feel for it anyway.
Okay, Rhys. We've got a lot of feeling in the install, I'll give it that.
drive it in, well, in the past 2 years.
There you go.
And maybe next time I go to Drivetribe, instead of taking aim, we could take the high roller. But we'll see. And just like that, back in his storage he goes. Snug is the correct term.